Hello kids, how are you all? Today we learn about the sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are used in a sentence frequently. It is appear in the sentence, so it is must to know and read sight words to improve our reading. It improves reading skills. It makes no sense, but I have written few sight words here. I made a table like this. You can also make this table. It is like this. For example, I have made 6 lines and 6 rows. So I have written few words here. The, is, for, they, from, but, of, you, on, I, or, not, and, that, are, at, one, what, it, as, be, had, all, to, his, with, this, by, were, in, was, his, have, word, we. We can learn only 6 sight words in a week. You can tell me, what is this? Yes, this is A. What is this? This is A. You all know this is A. So, kids know this is A. You can say A. You can say A is A. You can say A is A. You can say A is A. But here A is also a word. But here A is also a word. It is a word. It comes in the sentence in the beginning of the sentence or in between the sentence. Now I take another word, that is the. I have taken one more sight word, that is the. On this sight word, we don't use phonetic sound rules. Like T says T, H says H, E says E. So it means this word is tahai. No. Tahai. No. This is not a word. So we cannot apply the phonic sounds of it. We can say, how we can learn this? We can say the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the. Again and again, Whenever you see the, always say the, the, the. So you can know, learn easily. Or you can play with your mom. Make dice of these side words and play with your mom. Parents, you can make a dice of these side words and play with them. Help them to play because they don't know how to read. These side words are not with the phonetic sounds, so it is your duty to help them out. So make a dice like this and write few side words on that. And take one paper. This is the sight words game. I have written words here, few words I have written here. Same words are in my dice. And here you can write, in the second box you can write the child's name, or in the next box you can write your name. So how to play this? You can throw this dice like this. Whatever it comes on the dice, you can read that. Mama, Papa, please help them. My, my. Now it was the turn of the child. So you help them to read my. Now search the word here. Ask the child to search the word here. My. It was the child's turn. So write the points here. 1. Because it comes once. Now it's your turn. Mummy and Papa, now it's your turn. Now you throw this. It is the. Ask the child to repeat. The, the. The, the. Now he or she is able to read this. Now ask them to search the word here. Here, the. Now it was your turn, so you can give the point here in your box. It becomes very interesting game for your child, and child learn while playing. Or you can play another game. You can write numbers on it like 1, 2, 3. It's like that. And throw this. Suppose it comes 2, and now in this table you can see the 1 and 2. Now you can read this row. Is, you, that, it, he, was. And ask the child to repeat it with you. Is, you, that, it, he, was. Now again it's your turn. Suppose it comes 1 or it comes 5. Suppose it comes 5. So you can go this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can read this row. To, he, with, this, by, were. The main motive is to recognize and familiar with these words, so they can, whenever the word comes in the sentence, they can easily read that. Children, it is gonna very interesting for you. It is full fun for you, and must be learn that difficult sight words in a easy way. It help you to read sentences. Here I say practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. So how much you practice, that much you gain. In the end, I say take care, learn again. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.